Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. In this video, we see the tutorial of Solidworks. First, we have going to part, then selecting the plane. There are three planes such as front plane, top plane and right plane. The center point of all the three planes is origin. First, I am selecting the top plane and clicking normal to button and selecting the center line. Click and drag and press escape to get the line. Then straight line. Select, drag and click, then press escape. And click Smart Dimensions if you want to change the dimensions of the sketch. I am changing the dimensions from 60 to 100 and click the tick mark. Then circle command. Smart dimensions. We can change the diameter of the circle or the radius. I am changing the diameter to 5. Then to 50 and press the tick mark and click exit sketch to get the solid sketch. If you want to edit, press double click or delete. Selecting plane. This is the perimeter circle. Mark 2 points and drag the circle so that we can get large circle or a small circle based on the first 2 points settings. Then drag, we can get the circle. Then exit sketch. Then Spline Command. Spline is a sketch which is used to draw a helix or a thread in a solid rod, etc. It is used in various we can also change the shape by dragging the arrows present in the spline and then clicking exit sketch. I am deleting. Then it's just a plane. We can select one more plane by clicking the first reference, second reference, third reference. Then rectangle. First one is corner rectangle. Click on the plane and drag until to the point that you needed. Then center rectangle. It starts from the center. Then 3-point center rectangle. First point, second point and third point. 3-point corner rectangle. Now it is 3-point center rectangle. First point is the center point, second point and third point. Then parallelogram. First point, second point, and drag to the left or right so that we can get the parallelogram shape. We can also change the dimensions by clicking the smart dimensions also. Then arc command. There are 3 arcs. First one is center point arc. First point, second point, we can drag here and there so that we can draw a half arc or a quarter arc also. A small arc also. Then tangent arc. For tangent arc we have to draw this arc only at a point. Starts from a point. Then this is the tangent arc. Press right click and select to exit the sketch, or press the escape button also. This is another type of arc. Then ellipse. It is an ordinary ellipse. First point, second point is the major diameter, and third point is the minor diameter. Major diameter, minor diameter. Then partial ellipse. Partial ellipse is the ellipse which can be drawn as half ellipse or a quarter ellipse. Quarter ellipse, half ellipse also. We can draw any shapes of ellipse also. Then parabola. Select 2 points, first point, second point, and then drag to the left and drag to the right so that we can get the parabola. First point, okay. Then a straight slot. First point, second point, and we get the straight slot. Then center point slot. First point is center point. From center, both right and left side, holes are created, slots are created. Okay. Then 3 point arc set. From the arc itself we can draw the slot. This is the option. Then another point is center point arc slot. First we have to fix the center point, then arc, then slot. This is center point. This is 3 point. Then add an ordinary hexagon. We can also change the angle of the hexagonal faces in the left side column. Okay. Then I am deleting the sketches. Then trim commands. I am drawing a circle which is cutted with many lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then click on the trim commands. This is the option, and click the power trim. Power trim is a trim that consists of all the other trims such as corner trim, trim away inside, trim away outside, and trim to closest, so that we can drag here and there to get the complete shape of a circle without damage. Okay, all the lines are deleted. Now we can get the circles also. It's a exit sketch. Okay, delete. Okay, this is a short video about the SolidWorks tutorial on the sketch tools, friends. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up.